Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide time spent reading and other achievements in Apple Books on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here tap on Books. In the Books setting page, scroll down. Now scroll down to Reading Goals, and in here tap on Reading Goals so that your phone will show you the time spent reading and other achievements in Apple Books. Now if you want to include PDFs as part of your reading goals, you can tap on the toggle button and it will get added to your reading goals. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.